Hey, today I'm going to show you how to go in HighLevel and add QuickBooks and sync it up. This only works with QuickBooks Online that you can then sync up, and you can have your contacts all come in from people that you're invoicing, and then you can also take it a step further and have it do reviews automatically for you. So when you send out an invoice, it'll ask for a review request for like a Google business page. All right, we'll jump right in here. I'll share my screen and you can kind of see a quick walkthrough how to do that, how to sync it up, QuickBooks with HighLevel. Hey, all right, we're in HighLevel here, or GoHighLevel. First thing, once you come in, you'll land on the Launchpad page here. This is an example business, kind of just a temporary for today. So you'll want to go all the way down on the bottom left-hand side here into Settings. Once that loads up, then you will want to go to Integrations, and then you should see QuickBooks Connect. You just click on the big green button. You can choose how you want to import. For today, we just do import all your contacts from QuickBooks. Upon initial connection, you click Next. This is where you click Send Review Requests once the invoice is paid, so you can have that automatically set up there. You would check that box. I'm not going to do that today, but then you would hit Connect, and then it'll load up another window here with your information for QuickBooks, and then it'll sync it up.